Here we are, China Eastern Airlines. Found our seats. I got my newspaper. Just me and my mom. Time for lunch. Got beef and potatoes, some salad, fruit, orange juice. My mom got some fish and rice. Let's eat. We made it out. It's like 54 degrees right now. Oh god, I'm freezing. Shanghai. Wow. Oh my gosh, we're all the way at the end. Ooh, too bad we don't have money that we converted. We walked all the way over there. What is this? Karaoke? Oh man. This is cool. No more waiting. We're here in Hong Kong. Oh my god, it took almost a whole day to get here. Now we need to get money and our stuff. Alright, we made it. And our taxi was like 50 Hong Kong dollars less than we thought. Looks like it's closed. It's like 2 in the morning. Here we are. Oh, let's see. The lights are moving. This one? No. This one? No. Oh my god. Oh, there it is. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. First day.
We're here at the restaurant.
Dapat pa na natin daan-daanan gusto namin.
Right next to our hotel. It's part of it. First stop is City University, and we're on the way to 7-Eleven
To get the paspas.
to get, yeah, the octopus card.
Oh, the dog. Oh my god, they have 7-Eleven.
Watch out, Mom. That was kind of scary. City University. thought this was a bug on me, but it's just my mole. Oh my gosh, I did not expect this. The festival walk? No, it's huge. Whoa. We're on the next floor up. I was about to walk up the wrong way. Alright, next up, Food Fest. I'm so jealous of your food. I'm so jealous. I should have gotten that place right there. The sizzling pot. So I put my chicken into Mom's soup because it just needed a little bit more flavor. Mom's dish was definitely better than mine. This place has a long line. It's a kid's salon. Mom, let's go to the theater. Here we go. Wow, this is a big theater to them. Alright. Nice. Right in the middle. $10 to watch. We need more money on that. 1, 2, 3. We are on our way to the Museum of History, and right next to it will be the Science Museum. Then after that, we'll be eating at Din Tai Fung, if we can find it. And then we'll probably get lost on the way home. We've got the science corner. She figured it out. We used the holes.
box. Square, this is rectangle. Now I can sleep.
Now you
Thank
can
you.
Wow,
sleep.
wow, wow.